Hello students, welcome to the online study group. According to the given timetable to you, today is the turn of mathematics in which we will start first chapter integers. Before starting any sum, first we will understand the definition of integers and some concept that we will use in sums. So, what are integers? Integers. Definition of integer is all the natural numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, infinite natural numbers as you know, and 0, all the natural numbers 0 and negative of all the natural numbers are called integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, and 0 also, and negative of all natural numbers, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. Negative natural numbers are also infinite. So all the natural numbers 0 and negative of all natural numbers are called integers. Now move on to the some properties. Suppose in multiplication and divide, if first number is positive, second number is negative, so plus minus minus, which sign will come? Plus minus minus. Second is first number is negative, second is positive, so minus plus minus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, and minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus. In addition and subtraction, plus minus minus, what we will do? Minus, which sign will come? Greater number sign will come. Second, minus plus, what we will do? Minus, same thing, greater number sign will come. Then minus minus plus, what we will do? Plus, which sign will come? Minus sign will come. This concept will more clear to you when we will do the sum. So, integers, all the natural numbers 0 and negative of all natural numbers are called integers. When we will do the multiply and divide of integers, first is positive, second is negative, and plus minus, which sign will come? Minus. Minus plus, which sign will come? Minus. And when both are negative, so minus minus plus. Now in the case of addition and subtraction, plus minus minus, what we will do? Minus, but which sign will come? Greater number sign will come. Minus plus minus, what we will do? Minus, what greater number sign will come. And if both are positive and we have to do addition and subtraction, so minus minus plus, minus minus, if both are negative then minus minus plus, what we will do? Plus, and this sign will come, minus sign will come. Now come on to the first sum, that is evaluate, in which first part is 427 multiply 8 plus 2 multiply 427. Now you can see here multiply is in two part. 427 multiply 8, then addition sign plus sign. 2 multiply 427. 427 is present in both. Means 427 is common. So we will take 427 as common. Then we will put bracket. Now we will divide this portion by 427. 427 to 427 cut, or we can say 427 1 the 427. Then 8 1 the 8. 427 427 cut, 8 1 the 8. Then which sign is here? Plus sign. Same way, now we will divide this portion. Then what will come? 427 1 the 427. 2 1 the 2. Now 427. If between a number and bracket no sign is there, then multiply sign is here. It means which sign is here? Multiply sign. So multiply 8 plus 2, 10. 427 multiply 8 plus 2, 10. Now we can do multiply easily. So 4270 will be our answer. 427 common, 8 1 the 8. 427 1 the 427, 2 1 the 2. 427 multiply 8 plus 2, 10. So multiply 4270, 4270 will be our answer. Now move on to the second part. See, 394 multiply 12 plus 394 multiply inside the bracket minus 2. So what is common? 394 is common between both. So we will write 394. Then bracket 394 cancel 12. Here we will put plus sign. 394 banda cancel. Then 394 banda cancel. 2 banda 2. You can see here is minus 2. You can see here is minus 2. So we will take minus 2 inside the bracket. And better to take here square bracket. Here square bracket. So 394 square bracket 12 plus minus 2. Plus minus. Here we are doing multiply of sign. Plus minus 2. So 394 multiply 12 minus 2, 10. So 3940. 3940 will be our answer. Come to the third part. So see here this part and this. What is common? 673 is common. So 673 we will take common. Bracket 673 1 the 673. 9 1 the 9. Then plus sign. 673 1 the 673. What will come here? 1. Very simple. 673 multiply by 9 plus 1, 10. So 6730 will be our answer. Now come on to the second sum. It is also evaluate, but different type of evaluate. First is 15 multiply 8. Very simple. You have done in second class also, first and second class. So 15 8s are 120. But here is what concept I told you in the beginning. Both are positive, simply 120. So 15 8s are 120, same. Then plus minus. What sign will come? Minus sign. Plus minus 120. Then 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 8 are 192. About the sign, see. Plus, both are positive. Then plus minus minus 192. About this, if we are doing multiply of integers and minus is or negative sign is odd number of time, it means minus sign will come in final answer. Listen once again. If we are doing multiply of integers and minus sign is odd number of times like 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. So in the final answer minus sign will come. Here minus sign how many times? One time. That is odd. That's why minus sign is come. Or we can see plus minus minus also. Next. 4 6 are 24. 24 8 are 192. Minus minus plus. Which sign will come? Plus. And that condition. How many times minus sign is coming? 2 times. That is even. So which sign will come? Plus sign. If odd number of time minus sign is there, then minus sign will come. Next. 4 6 are 24 8 are 192 same. Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. Plus minus minus. So minus 192. And you can see how many times 3 is here. How many times minus sign is here? 3 times. That is odd. That's why minus sign is come. Next. 2 4 the 8. 8 6 the 48. 48 8 the 384. And how many times? One time minus. That is odd. So minus 384. Same number are here for multiply. So 384. How many times minus? 4 times. That is even. So positive 384. Or we can do minus minus plus. Plus minus minus. Minus minus plus 384. So these questions you will do in homework. In the next video, I will provide you the answers of these questions. Thank you and have a good day.